In this video, you'll learn how to use the Vernier Graphing App. Start off by opening Self-Service. From the Self-Service search bar, search for Graphical or Vernier, then install. Now open Vernier Graphical Analysis and select Manual Entry. You can see there's an empty graph and also a place to enter your X and your Y data. Once you've entered your data into the data columns, you'll need to label your graph. So next to the X is 3 dots. You'll click on that and then column options, and then you can enter the name and units for the X-axis. Repeat with the Y by clicking the 3 dots, column options, typing in the name and also the units for the X and the Y axis. Notice once you hit apply that these labels show up on both the X and the Y axis. The Vernier Graphing App will calculate slope for you if you click that button on the lower left-hand corner and then click Apply Curve Fit. It will automatically pick linear, but you can pick many options. This graph looks linear, so I hit Apply, and you can see that box contains the equation of the line along with the slope, and I've moved it down so we can see the graph a little bit better. Now I've taken a screenshot of my graph, and I'm ready to insert it into my lab.